Okay, guys, quick demonstration on the Google Gemini Auto-Browse feature inside of Chrome. So this is, there's Gemini. You're going to be able to ask it pretty much anything, data-wise. There's MCPs, which are going to be able to interact with APIs through the agentic layer. And then there's websites that still don't have an API or are kind of like hard to get data from. And there's a zillion other tasks you could do using this feature, but I'm just going to show you one that I'm going to see if it can do. And it's a website that doesn't have an API that I can grab this information from, and then something I just go check daily. So let me use Whisperflow to dictate this. Go to Automation Squad on school.com and check to see if there are any comments in the community that I need to respond to. And if so, let me know what they are, and I can tell you what to say back to them. SKOOL instead of actualschool.com. All right, so let's see if it'll do this. I've actually not tried this through the auto browse yet, but usually when you say something like go to, so it's going to go to school.com. These are all my different communities that I'm like a member of or that I own or whatever, or both. And now hopefully it's going to try to find the Automation Squad community. But currently it's checking the community comments on this community, which is kind of interesting. So let's see if it can figure out the difference. All right, so it's trying to navigate. So I think it realizes it's not on the Automation Squad community. All right, so it's going to go to the main hub here and then probably search Automation Squad. So that's a different automation community. So the cool thing too is that like you don't have to watch it do this. You can go do other stuff. So if I just go to like a new, I can go work and come back to this. It's going to let me know if it needs me. You can also pause and take over at any time. So look, it's searched Automation Squad. So there's our community. So hopefully, yep. All right, cool. It's in it. It's on the About Us page. So I'm sure it'll go over to community. It's going to look for comments. Because it's scrolling a little bit. So the cool thing too is it shows you all of its steps that it's taking. And, obviously this is not like a dumb use of it, right? Because I could have it doing this while I'm doing something else. I don't really care how slow it does it, or clunky. And I'm pretty sure it will learn from this. And also I could create like a little prompt that directs it right to it, Yeah, so there's a comment right there in one of my school communities. So anyways, I'm going to pause it and just see what it comes back with, because now you've seen what it's doing. It's browsing around, right? Let me pause this and see what it comes back with. It'll be pretty interesting. Okay, so the task is done. So it came back with this on school. Let's see if I click that, if it takes me. Okay, so it just takes me to school. I'm hoping it would give me a link to go to that person, or that comment. So I would probably, if this was a big task with a bunch of stuff, I would just say, will you please provide me a link to that post or comment directly so that I can respond to it now? And actually, I could probably tell it what to respond, and it would do that. So let's see. All right, so it gave me... All right, so if I wanted to, there's the link, right? So I could have given that to it in the original instructions, and I could respond now, but they're just basically saying, cool, nice, whatever. So I'm going to actually tell it, please go ahead and respond to the comment and just say, thanks for joining the community and let us know what you're working on so we can all put our heads together and do great things! Exclamation point. It's so cheesy. I don't know why I'm saying that, but but it's what I said, and I'm gonna let it go do that and just see if it works, just for the sake of the video. All right, so task started again. Yeah, cool. It even tagged him. That's awesome. Yeah, there you go. So this is a great example of like school doesn't have an API that you can, or MCP that you can do a lot of this from. So like when you get a new member, you know, you can use an automation to like put them on your email list or trigger different things and stuff. But waiting for your help. Okay, what do you need my help on? Type to blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so maybe it wants me to send it. Let me go ahead and submit the comment. But, you know, like, so this is a one-off task, but imagine if this was like thousands of comments and you could say auto create. Cool. So it went ahead and sent it. Auto create, you know, a response to 800 of these or whatever, then it all of a sudden makes a lot of sense. Let's see this also. Will you please like Tony's, Toni's comment as well? See if it'll give him a thumbs up for me. Let's see. Action taken, like, I don't know if you did that or not. Let's see if I refresh. Nah, I didn't do it. But I could tell it to, you know, to go back and do that or whatever. So anyways, hope this video helps, guys. It's an awesome feature. Would love to know how you guys are using it. And as you've seen, we have a school community automation squad on school. It's 100% free to join currently. Won't be forever. Come check us out, and thanks for watching.